to fix Instagram camera or filters not working. So if your Instagram filters or Instagram camera is not working, then the first thing you need to check is your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might find this kind of problem. So first check your internet connection, and even after checking the internet connection, if you still don't fix that issue, then you can open up your settings and go for apps and notifications, and here tap on see all apps and then go for Instagram. And after opening your Instagram on your settings, now you can go for storage and cache, and then you can go for clear cache, which is on the right side. And after tapping on clear cache, your cache is cleared on Instagram. And after clearing that, now if this still doesn't fix your problem, then you have to check that if your app needs an update. So sometimes if your app is not up to date, then you might find this kind of problem. So what you can do is first open up your Play Store and then go for the search bar and search for Instagram. And after searching for Instagram, if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you can simply tap on update, and you have to update your Instagram application. And even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last thing you can do is you can uninstall the application, and then after uninstalling, you can install it again and log into your account, or you can either restart your device. You can simply hold on to that power button, and here you will have restart option on the upper right side. You can simply tap on restart, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.